We are in Chiang Dao. At the moment we are in a very special environment and I'm gonna show you this later on. We're meeting an interesting person here, the owner of this accommodation as well. And we're showing you the most beautiful things in Chiang Dao. And I'm saying we're not doing this alone. We're doing this with Lana.
Hi, what's happening, guys?
Oh yeah, we're gonna keep that in. Thank you so much for watching again. Let's go. There we are at Chiang Dao Hot Spring. Now we didn't think the hot springs right over there are really attractive looking to us. So we went up the stream a little bit and now we are just putting our feet in the water. It is definitely not so hot here, quite cold, but it's a nice stream. It's nice to be in an environment like this. Just an hour and a bit away from Chiang Mai in Chiang Dao. And
Well, that tree is.
we want to give you a full Chiang Dao experience, and one of the things that people like here is nature, and we're gonna be surrounded by nature all the time. Taking you to a hot spring, we were expecting something different, but it doesn't really matter because then again you're always surrounded by nature, and now we're here standing all alone in this beautiful piece of forest.
To the viewpoint of Chiang Dao.
We've got ourselves a ticket. We are entering a national park, so we obviously have to pay a little fee. We drove up for about 15 minutes and then we're suddenly into this big open space, a little village in the middle of the mountains. Wow. And you can see the clouds are forming from the forest. This is spectacular, guys.
Right, it's still building.
Yeah, this is the thing. I think I don't know, if there's no COVID anymore and no stuff like that, the world keeps opening up again. This is gonna be the next busy place, the next PAI, maybe even. Don't let it turn into a pie. But yeah, this is so beautiful. Sawadee krap. Wow.
Wanna sleep there one time?
Yeah, apparently we're gonna have a look there as well, and we're gonna find out what the prices are. But you can sleep here in a tent. Coffee. I'm really thirsty actually, so let's have a little honey lemon soda. We can see now there are way more accommodations here, built here, and these are just simple tents with shared bathroom. But how cool is that if you wake up with this amazing view? First we're gonna cross the river to check out the elephant, a few things. He's got a few projects going on.
Yeah.
Mr. Nay,
hi.
How are you doing, sir?
But now we're gonna go to another place.
Yeah.
We make like a farm for the Lana cooking.
Yeah.
Make everything for the vegetable of the local.
Okay.
Can let people come and learn for the cooking, original cooking of the people of Lana.
Walking past the mangoes, the mango trees, I should say.
Yeah.
Oh, pretty cool looking. Ilona, are you okay there at the back? She is. So we are like right in the middle of Chiang Dao. Not in the city, no, we are on the countryside.
Welcome to the jungle adventure, you know.
Yeah. But where are you taking us? What is this?
Yeah. Feel like a bamboo beach. The original bamboo beach.
Just two bamboos.
Yeah, two bamboo.
Ilona, are you okay with doing this or?
Come on.
Gonna have to do it one hand only.
Yeah, are you
she
okay?
made it. So the river here, but the Ping River in Chiang Mai is really big.
Yeah.
But here it starts off like really small,
yeah.
or kind of small, but the water still rises up to here and it fade away your farm before, right?
Yeah. And then we start again.
What is this?
Long eggplant.
Eggplant.
Basil leaf. Kapao.
Yeah, this for the pat karapao.
Pat kapao, right?
I'm start to get hungry. Long bean, huh?
Long bean.
Wow. That's where we're going to in a minute.
Yeah.
That's your cafe, isn't it?
Yeah.
สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีค่ะเร็วสวัสดีค่ะสวัสดีค่ะสวยสวัสดีค่ะ
How old is this one?
5 years old.
5 years old.
Yeah.
Ah, so beautiful, huh? So beautiful. When did you get this one?
Like 1 year ago. 1 year ago, February, right?
And
She
you-
comes here to the first time.
Are you a caretaker or the owner?
We have my friend.
Yeah.
He is like a partner.
Okay.
He like to have elephant for like the same long time ago. People in the Lana have the elephant,
Yeah.
and then we take care like a family,
Yeah.
and not for the show like the same everywhere. Like we make it like a real right too, and let people learn how elephant do with the
Yeah.
Thai with the people, right?
Does he gonna work as well, like carrying the?
But now she have the job too.
Oh, yeah.
Eat and eat like a eat all day all night.
Same job.
Yeah.
So, but does he not help building houses and all that?
No, they not the building house. They break it.
Oh, okay. What would you say to the people that are coming to Thailand, coming to Chiang Mai?
Yeah, I think everywhere in Thailand is nice, but in the north we are different too. We have the many mountain, have many people for the village, like a Kalen people, Lahu people, Lana people. We mix, and then every place for the Chiang Mai province is nice. Not just only Chiang Dao, everywhere, but you need to learn the place you can do. You like to stay like a slow life, stay like a simple life.
Yeah.
You have many choice now.
Yeah.
But just for me, I love to the slow life and the Lana way.
Yeah.
Let it easy and learn everything the real one with the people of the Lana.
Yeah.
What is the Lana way?
People is not same everywhere. People is like a slow down because cold. People don't do everything fast, smiling well than everywhere in Thailand too.
So the Lana way is smiling
Smiling
and slow life.
slow life, do everything not too fast.
Hey, we have a special guest as well waiting for us in the coffee shop. So let's have a look who it is. You want to introduce yourself real quick?
Yeah, hi guys, this is Yidan'd. I'm running a farm stay right now in Chiang Dao. It's been 1.5 years now. Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm Chinese, but I've been living in Thailand for 5 years now.
We were actually stayed last night in your accommodation. We're also going to check out the farm stay.
Yeah.
We're just here with your friend. We are so amazed by the fact that there are so many different places here. We've been talking about the PAI vibe. Everyone knows PAI. What do you like so much about Chiang Dao? You're
Yeah.
basically having business here, but that's for a reason as well,
Yeah,
right?
personally, I think Chiang Dao has a lot of its own charms. I mean, all put together, it's not really like one thing really standing out, right? The view is, of course, it's really, really beautiful, but
Yeah.
there's also many other places like Chiang Rai, like Pai also has really like spectacular mountain view.
True.
But for me personally, I think it's the view, it's the people, and it's the tradition. It's like about the community as well. So, and also the distance from Chiang Mai. Like
Yeah.
it's not too far away. Like for me, maybe Pai is a bit far, like 3 hours.
Yeah. So I love to drive to PAI as well. It's like a 3-hour drive through the
Yeah.
mountains. But coming here, maybe a slightly boring. It's just a straight road, basically. But
Yeah.
it's so quick. It's
Yeah.
so quick. You're here hour 15 minutes. You're already here.
Yeah.
So definitely big plus. Do you mind
Yeah.
if we're just gonna have a quick coffee here?
Yeah,
And then
yeah.
go to your farm stay?
Yeah, of course. Welcome.
Amazing.
When we started, it was completely rice field, so we didn't have anything.
Yeah.
So we built everything here in 1.5 years. And yeah, come inside, have a look.
It looks super cool. Come on. So we stayed here for 2 nights. We're showing also the accommodation. I think this is also something you're interested in because you are really close to everything here in Chiang Dao. Everything is like a half an hour, I would say, away from here or less.
And we can just drive 5 minutes and you will get the Lotus supermarket, the local market, and 7-Eleven. So although it seems like we're in the middle of nowhere, but it's really convenient to live here.
Yeah. What do you try to build? What do you? What have you built already, and what do you? Where are you going with this?
Well, so basically our goal is to build a community here for the people who's having a nomadic lifestyle.
Yeah.
No matter you are a nomad who's been traveling and working around the world, you want to have a base, you want to have a community that everyone can live together and can have activities together. So this is the building we're gonna have within this year, which is gonna be in the open space over there.
Right. So there's gonna be a bit of construction going on there.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's gonna be a big building with 4 bedrooms, farm-to-table restaurant, cafe. So yeah, once people get here, you don't need to get outside anymore.
Yeah. But already there's some accommodation here. Some really cool accommodation, I think. We can be able to show you that.
Upstairs is our one guest house. It's upstairs. It has a really good view with the 360-degree of balcony. You can see both sides of the mountain. And here, I will show you another one. This is another guest house we have over here. We have a round framed window inside. You can have like a spectacular sunrise view in the morning. And we have a wooden bathtub over here.
Yeah, this is really nice. You can fill it up with hot water.
Yeah.
This is so good.
So during the winter time, it's really nice, just like soaking your body in the warm water and then facing the mountain and watching the sunrise.
We're talking winter time. How many degrees are we talking?
It can get like 12 degrees.
Actually?
Yeah.
Wow.
And it gets like, although it's 12 degrees, but it gets even colder than that because we're in the mountain. It's more humid. So every night we have to set up a bonfire too.
When is that? If people come on holiday here, when do?
That will be around starting from October, November, and then until like February, something like that. Yeah.
Okay, good to know, good to know.
Yeah.
And then this spectacular view, come on, you cannot beat this.
That's our goat shed.
Okay, are we going there?
We have 2 goats over there if you want to check it out.
While we're walking to the goat shed, there are, I only recognize corn, but what else you got?
We have sweet potato over there, and those are the radish next to the sweet potato, pumpkin, and then most of the area we're growing corns. And over there we have about 20 banana trees, longan trees, 4 of them. I think in about 2 years, you would be able to have every fruit at the farm.
Yeah. So you are here not for the short term, right? You are here for...
Yeah. This is pretty much like a lifetime project for me.
Yeah.
So for a place like this, it's not really 100% business. I'm building a place that I want to live in.
Yeah.
So it will be just last like forever. Yeah.
I feel that as well. I feel really a community vibe here.
Yeah.
I think also with the shared area and the vibes that you give us. It's really nice.
Thank you.
What do we got here then?
Meh. Come here. Meh. I think it's too hot for them right now. They wouldn't come out. Meh. Money.
Are they like?
Okay.
Maybe
it's
maybe
too
not.
hot.
It's too hot.
maybe not.
Camera shy, maybe also. Okay.
And we can check out the garden over there. I have a lot of ducks, chickens, and bunny.
So this is an actual farm stay. Hello. Is it not biting?
No.
Hey.
I hatched all the ducks from the eggs by myself. Wow. So they're kind of attached to me.
Yeah. So
ducks are really cute actually.
They are really
I love them.
But I also sometimes I eat it as well.
Yeah, me too.
Oh yeah.
But now like it's kind of different for me. I just starting to really eat ducks less and less because I feel like, you know, it's just feel weird because since you kind of attached to them right now.
Yeah. Makes sense.
Okay, here you go.
Oh, we're making a video.
Yeah.
Want to give us a high five?
You want to join us, Wilder? High five, Wilder.
Oh, she's not even looking.
She's not even looking.
So This is the thing when we're talking about community. There are a few guests here as well, and people getting along with each other. You can have holiday here and come to rest and relax, and it's calm, and you're surrounded by mountains, beautiful nature. If you're lucky, the weather is like this as well. But you're also here in a community, and I think that's something special, that everyone is just getting along.
Oh, Chanum! It's a bunny, yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Chanum. We have like total 3 dogs, 4 cats, 1 hedgehog, 6 ducks, dozens of chickens, 2 goats, hundreds of fishes. Around the tents, we grew 500 chrysanthemum flowers. Chrysanthemum flowers are a type of flower that you can make them into tea. When they bloom flowers, you will be able to collect a lot of them every day. Yeah, and then we can just sun dry them and then simply make them into tea.
Yeah. Are you also trying to sell the things that you make, or just make it for your own use?
Right now, we're just only using for our own. Yeah, because the productivity is not really super high for us to sell the products.
Okay.
But in the future, we're hoping that we will be supplying to the farm-to-table restaurant that we'll be working on.
Yeah. Big projects coming up.
Yeah, a lot of work.
I think we've seen enough. There's also a few other accommodations there.
Yeah.
There are these glamping tents, which are really comfortable. The showers here, I have to say, sometimes you go glamping and the showers are a little bit disappointing, but the showers are hot, they're powerful. Everything is really clean here as well, I have to say. All very positive. Let's have a look at Ilona, because I think Ilona wants to check out.
Sure.
We're going back to Chiang Mai. The beauty of Chiang Dao, I think we're gonna have to come back here. We know this already. Any highlights of our stay here in Chiang Dao? What do you think?
I was amazed by the viewpoint actually. I didn't expect it to be that spectacular.
Yeah.
And that it's just like an hour away from Chiang Mai.
Yeah. Super close to Chiang Mai, and the viewpoint is not a normal viewpoint that you're on top of a mountain and you see a spread out area. No, it's actually you're in the middle of the mountains.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I liked as well. Yeah. Also, I want to do a big shout out to Yidan'd. She's got a YouTube channel as well. You maybe would like to check out Yidan'd's farm life in Thailand. You get to learn a little bit more about how she's living here and what her projects are. Yeah, accommodation here is also beautiful, affordable, 1,200 bahts for some luxury glamping. And also there are some huts, the different options that we've showed you. Guys,
did you enjoy your stay here?
Actually, I did a lot. I was not expecting anything, and I'm a little bit embarrassed that almost 2 years in and around Chiang Mai, I haven't been to Chiang Dao yet, and I'm gonna have to say, and I'm saying this a lot, but I also sometimes come to places, or we go to places that we are not really happy about. This place, if you come to Chiang Mai, you're gonna have to, not necessarily the farmstay, which is really cool, and I think you should check it out, but definitely Chiang Dao, the district, is so beautiful and so close to Chiang Mai.
Yeah, so people are so great as well.
Yeah, and unexplored, unlike in PAI, because you got the PAI vibes here as well. There's no walking street here. There's the Sunday market, for example, but there's no strip where it's really centered. So you're gonna have to drive around a little bit to find the hidden gems, and luckily we were able to show you a few of them. Thank you so much for watching till the very end. We would like to say from Chiang Mai province in Chiang Dao, bye for now and stay champ. Woo, 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 woo.